Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a grocery haul video. I'm going shopping and I will be showing you guys what I end up buying at the shopping mall. But before we go, I want to show you my reading schedule for the month of April. My exam is getting closer, so I have a reading schedule for this month, and I really hope I stick to the schedule so that I can do very well in my exams. This is my study schedule for the month of April 2022. I just blocked off some days for a particular topic depending on the volume of the topic. I downloaded this planner from wikicalendar.com. You can see that they are celebrating Earth Day on the 22nd. I don't even know what that means. So I blocked out each topic depending on the volume. Look at neuroanatomy 2 days, molecular genetics 4 days. I already have concise materials for the topic. That's why it's taking me fewer days to study this topic. These topics are very voluminous topics on their own. So and then every day is occupied. Ideally I should get some days off, maybe about 5 days in a month, to take a break from studying. But I have so many things to cover, honestly, so I just gave myself the 30th off. Now it's time to go shopping. Remember that I always say that if you have good food at home, then you will eat good food. I know that a lot of us find it difficult to stay on track when we have a big project or we have exams or we are stressed. There's so many things going on in our lives. But if you can just try your best to grocery shop and have the right ingredient at home, then it will be very easy for you to stay on track. So let's go shopping. So what did I buy? I bought fruits. I bought some berries, apple, avocado, lemon, cucumber. I bought just one. I don't really like cucumber that much, so I don't like buying too many because I end up not eating it. Let's talk spices. So I bought parsley, rosemary, ground coriander, cinnamon, Cameroon pepper, and pepper soup spice. This is carrots, red bell pepper, a little bit of tomatoes. Then I got chickpeas, peanut butter, yogurt, shawarma bread, granola, pasta, yeah or no, I love pasta, sausage, chicken breast, and then frozen veggies. So pretty much this is it. Now I'm gonna meal prep. I'll film a separate video for the meal prep, and the video will drop next week. So if you like to see my meal prep video, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you do not miss out on that one. But before I go, I want to show you guys something. Look at it, this thing. I bought this thing at the shopping mall today, and trust me, I am so disappointed at myself. I bought it because I just saw fruit snacks and I was like, made with real fruit. I was very happy. I picked it up. I even picked 5. Look at, I picked 5. I didn't read the label. I didn't check it out, only for me to get home and come and see all the stuffs in it. I am so sad. Look at ingredients: fruit puree, grape, peach, orange, strawberry, and raspberry, corn syrup, sugar, modified cornstarch, gelatin, Concord grape juice from concentrate, citric acid, lactic acid, artificial flavors, ascorbic acid, tocopherol. Look at the number of things that is in this stuff, and I'm like, what the hell? Why on earth didn't I go through the ingredient list? I talk about this thing all the time. Read your labels, read your labels, read your labels. And I went to the shopping mall. I bought 5 without reading my label. This thing for 70 calories. God damn it. I wish I took my time to go over the ingredient list before picking up the fruit snacks, but we learn every day, so moving on. When you want to meal prep for the week, it's important that you do a little bit of homework. The very first thing you want to do is, what is your budget? Once you know your budget for the month, you can break that down to your weekly budget. It's important that you stick within your budget. That's the only way you can eat healthy for a long time sustainably. So once you know your budget, then you want to eat your carbs, protein, fat, and then vegetables and fruit. For fruit, you want to do things that are in season if you have a very, very tight budget. So do fruit that are in season, or fruit that are very affordable, like banana, oranges, and the likes. For protein, I recommend doing any protein that fits within your budget. If you have a big budget, then you can do seafood, shrimp, prawns, and the likes. If your budget is a bit on the low side, then you can do fish, beef, chicken, eggs, and the likes. For carbs, you can pretty much get away with any carbs on a weight loss diet, or if you're trying to maintain your weight, if you're eating it in the right portion. So you can do our regular rice, you can do a little bit of white rice, bread, pasta, a little bit, as long as you're eating it in the right portion. You want to make sure that for grains you're eating 1 cup of cooked, and then you're not doing more than 1 to 2 slices of bread. For healthy fats, avocados are currently in season, so you definitely want to eat your avocado and then do olive oil. Sometimes it might seem that these healthy fat sources are expensive, but the good thing about it is that you're not using so much, you're using very little, so it's going to last you for a long time. So when I'm cooking my meals, I use just 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and if I'm cooking for the entire family, I use just 1 cooking spoon of olive oil. But if you cannot afford any of this oil, please do your unadulterated palm oil. Palm oil is way better than a lot of these vegetable oils that are out there. So do your unadulterated palm oil. It's an amazing source of fat. Lastly, for your vegetables, just do whatever it is that you enjoy and you can afford. From leafy vegetable, any leafy vegetable, spinach, pumpkin, our normal ugu, bitter leaf, any leafy vegetable. You can do okra, and then we can now graduate to our vegetables like potato, carrot, bell peppers, tomatoes. All those things are vegetables, And for me today now, I bought my red bell pepper and tomatoes by the roadside. I didn't buy that at the shopping mall. So you can do whatever fits into your budget. Just be intentional about what you eat. Ask yourself, how is this particular food, how is it adding nourishment to my body? And once you can answer that, please go ahead and eat in the right portion. So I'm going to end the video here. If you want to see my meal prep video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because that will be dropping next week Saturday, so you do not miss out on that. Until next time, stay fit and healthy. Bye for now.